Hi, this is Ciandre from BK Ciandre. Today, I would like to introduce you same door system but different way. This is we called narrow frame door system. This we called invisible door system. So it's the same door 3 meters, but the only difference here is narrow frame. This is invisible frame. The only difference is that this we use wiring glass. Here we use transparent glass. You can see the frame finish is different. The same thing is that we use handle and the Italian AGB lock. No matter this way or this way, there is 3 big advantage. One thing is that because we use our own developed patent top to axis system, so it's very stable because all the door force is to floor, it's not horizontal. So there's no way for the deformation. The second thing is that because we pack the door frame, the door panel in the same together, it's already assembled in factory. So outside, you just need to put this door panel to the floor and to adjust well horizontal and vertical. 30 minutes installation time on site, which save a lot of project labor costs. The third thing is that no matter this nano frame or this invisible door, all the frame here is no screws on the frame because all the screws to the all is hidden in this aluminum frame. So it looks very nice and tidy. 2-door system, narrow frame or invisible frame. If you have a high end, this is the option because we use a wiring glass with creep handle and Italian AGB lock. But in the case you want something economic, we also have a different material to control the budget, and it's the same system. So if you are designers, if you are interested in creative ideas, please don't forget to follow me. I'm going to continue to show more ideas from our design team. Thank you. See you next time.